Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. And over a year ago, for sure, I made a video on how to create this shape, and somebody was watching it and they could not reproduce what I said to do. And we went back and forth, and I finally had them send me their file. So I'm taking a polygon tool, but I'm only using 3 sides. Let's elongate that a little bit. And then Control D, make a duplicate of that, and then mirror it. And you get that shape in the middle that's a perfect diamond shape. Well, what she was doing, and I couldn't figure out what she was talking about in the email, so I had her send me her file, and whenever people send me their file, it actually sends me their page and how they have everything set up. Well, right here, she had her object origin set to the top. I think default is in the center. She must have evidently inadvertently clicked on that. So now when we go Control D and make a duplicate and we mirror it, it does that because it's mirroring it off the top. This is a very useful tool. I mean, you could do it any which way. If you wanted to Control D that and you wanted the base touching, you could mirror it from the bottom. And you get that basically a shape, and you could actually cut that line out with your virtual segment delete key and have that same shape. Anyway, so when something's not mirroring equally on top of itself, check your object origin. Like right now, it's disappeared because you don't have an object selected. When you don't have an object selected, it goes away, but select that object and make sure yours is set to the center. And if you've ever played around with it, go to Tools and Save as Default, and it will save it as default, which it already is. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit.